Roses. This is from my beautiful garden channel. Rise up do-it-yourself vertical rose garden for breathtaking small spaces. So everyone loves rose garden. So in this video we are going to focus mainly on how one can focus on do-it-yourself for vertical rose garden. Limited space shouldn't limit your rose dreams. Let's turn limitations into boundless beauty together. Elevate your gardening game with 100 ingenious do-it-yourself vertical rose garden ideas. Discover the magic of transforming small spaces into breathtaking rose heavens. Rise up and embrace the challenge of creating a vertical garden paradise. Say goodbye to limited space woes and welcome boundless rose beauty. Infuse your small space with the essence of flourishing roses in every corner. Explore 100 methods to turn walls, balconies and corners into rose sanctuaries. Elevate your creativity by going vertical with your beloved rose collection. Foster a space where roses thrive against all odds, reaching for the skies. Craft a vertical heaven that showcases your roses' beauty in new dimensions. Unveil the secrets of vertical gardening that redefine small space allure. Say hello to a garden where roses defy gravity and bloom with grace. Share the joy of witnessing roses thrive in unexpected vertical landscapes. Discover the art of going vertical with your rose collection, no matter how much space you are having. Elevate your gardening prowess by mastering the art of vertical rose care. Exploring 100 ways to turn every nook and cranny into a rose-filled wonder. Craft a vertical masterpiece that captivates the eye and the heart. Foster a space where roses rise up to embrace their full potential. Infuse your small space with the essence of flourishing roses in unique forms. Say goodbye to conventional gardens and hello to vertical rose innovation. Create an outdoor oasis where roses bloom vertically, defying space limits. Unveil 100 techniques to elevate your garden with breathtaking vertical allure. Elevate your rose care by mastering the art of vertical gardening magic. Share the magic of watching roses flourish in unexpected vertical nooks. Discover the art of designing a vertical rose garden that wows the senses. Foster a space where roses grow skyward, transforming your surroundings. Explore 100 ways to embrace vertical gardening for small space enchantment. Craft a haven where roses rise up, painting walls with natural beauty. Infuse your small space with the essence of vertical rose elegance and charm. Elevate your gardening journey by going beyond traditional horizons. Say hello to a garden where roses conquer walls and corners with grace. Unveil the secrets of vertical gardening for roses that touch the sky. Foster a space where every inch is adorned with roses' vertical splendor. Create a vertical masterpiece that transforms your limited space into a wonderland. Share the joy of witnessing roses flourish in new unexpected dimensions. Discover the art of crafting a vertical rose garden that defies expectations. Elevate your gardening prowess by embracing the magic of vertical blooms. Explore 100 techniques to turn small spaces into vertical rose paradises. Craft a sanctuary where roses rise up embracing the beauty of heights. Foster a space where roses become living out of walls and trellises. Infuse your small space with the essence of vertical rose, wonder and awe. Unveil the beauty of vertical gardening as your roses reach for the skies. Elevate your rose care with the art of cultivating vertical beauty. Share the magic of watching roses bloom against gravity's embrace. Discover the art of turning limited space into a vertical rose sanctuary. Foster a space where walls and corners become tapestries of rose blooms. Explore 100 ways to turn vertical surfaces into rose-filled canvases. Craft a vertical haven where roses rise to the occasion of small spaces. Infuse your garden with the essence of vertical enchantment and growth. Elevate your gardening journey by embracing the challenge of going vertical. Say hello to a garden where roses redefine spatial limitations with flair. Unveil 100 techniques to turn even the smallest spaces into rose wonders. Foster a space where vertical gardening and roses converge in beauty. Create your masterpiece where roses bloom in new dimensions, defying space. Share the joy of witnessing roses flourish in unexpected vertical realms. Discover the art of embracing vertical gardening for your beloved roses. Explore 100 methods to turn small spaces into breathtaking rose sanctuaries. Craft a vertical haven that marries nature's beauty with the space constraints. Foster a space where roses rise above limitations, celebrating life's heights. Infuse your garden with the essence of vertical charm and thriving blooms. Unveil the secrets of turning every available vertical space into rose magic. Elevate your rose care by mastering the art of vertical gardening brilliance. Share the magic of watching roses embrace new heights in your garden. Say goodbye to traditional gardening and welcome the allure of going vertical. Foster a space where roses captivate with vertical elegance and grace. Explore 100 ways to turn walls and balconies into rose-filled heavens. Craft a vertical sanctuary where roses rise above the challenges of space constraints. Infuse your garden with the essence of vertical wonder and flourishing like anything. Elevate your gardening journey by turning limitations into boundless super beauty. Unveil 100 techniques to transform even the smallest corners into rose fantastic paradises. Share the joy of witnessing roses bloom beyond the confines of the ground. Discover the art of going vertical to celebrate roses' reach and potential. Foster a space where roses rise to meet the sky no matter the space available. Craft a vertical masterpiece that awakens the beauty of unused walls. Elevate your roses care with the art of vertical gardening innovation. Say hello to a garden where roses redefine spatial aesthetics with grandeur. Unveil 100 techniques to turn small spaces into vertical rose showcases. Foster a space where roses thrive in every nook, cranny, and hanging pot. Share the magic of witnessing roses embrace new dimensions in beauty. Discover the art of transforming small spaces into vertical rose treasures. Craft a vertical heaven where roses rise to meet your passion and creativity. Infuse your garden with the essence of vertical enchantment and wonder. Elevate your gardening prowess by embracing the challenge of going vertical. Unveil handed techniques to create a rose paradise that defies spatial constraints. Foster a space where roses become the artistry that adorns vertical surfaces. Share the joy of witnessing roses bloom skyward, breaking the ground's limits. Craft a vertical masterpiece that transforms your surroundings with elegance. Elevate your rose carry by turning walls and balconies into blooming canvases. Discover the art of going vertical for roses that ascend to new heights. Foster a space where roses embrace vertical dimensions. Infuse your garden with the essence of vertical charm and unbound beauty. Say goodbye to traditional gardening and hello to the beauty of going vertical. Unveil 100 techniques to create a rose sanctuary that transcends space. Share the magic of witnessing roses bloom in unexpected, breathtaking ways. Craft a vertical heaven where roses rise to meet your passion and dreams. Elevate your gardening journey by turning walls into enchanting rose showcases. Foster a space where roses flourish, whether on the ground or high above. Discover the art of embracing vertical gardening to elevate your roses. Infuse your garden with the essence of vertical elegance and flourishing beauty. Say hello to a garden where roses rise above space constraints, inspiring awe. Ready to transform small spaces into captivating rose paradises that rise above limitations. Elevate your gardening, embrace innovation, and create breathtaking beauty in every corner. Like, subscribe, and let's cultivate boundless rose allure together. Thanks for watching this video. We will see in the next one. Bye bye.